road for 8 months straight now without going home to the US even once, and so I think it's about time that we show you what we have in our gear.
Some stuff we've gotten rid of, some stuff we picked up along the way, but at this point we've been traveling for 8 straight months with a carry-on bag and a suitcase. So we'll show you guys exactly what we have.
And we'll be very honest about if we like it or not. Okay, starting with our backpacks. We each have a backpack that we carry most of our valuables in, just so that they're never out of our sights. You wanna go first?
So the first and foremost thing is my laptop. This is what all our videos get edited on. Next up, an iPad 1 from about 7 years ago.
You'd be surprised how slow it is though.
Then we have the drone. We got the DJI Mavic Air, which folds up into a surprisingly small case. A portable battery charger. This Anker charger has saved us more times than we can count. It'll charge a phone 4 or 5, 6 times in a row. Can even charge my laptop if I need it to. 3 external hard drives totaling 7 terabytes of storage. I also have a pair of Beats, which are falling apart, so every couple weeks I sew them back together and keep that little cuff together, but they're hanging in there. A big old mitt of various chargers, an electric toothbrush in its case. Put my toothbrush away. And then after that, hairbrush and deodorant. Yeah, my hairbrush is pink. What of it? In the front compartment, we have our mobile hotspot.
Love that thing. That's a new addition.
Yeah, this is a great deal, especially because Google Fi cut off our service.
We put a new SIM card in this when we go to a new country, and then you could hook up to 10 devices onto it. And so that way we can hook up our phones, our iPads, our laptops, and have Wi-Fi wherever we go.
And then the last thing in this pocket is my Canadian passport, which we use as backup because I travel on my American one, but the Canadian one is there just in case we need it.
Fun fact, we both have Canadian parents. Both of Jack's parents are Canadian, and my mom is Canadian.
I got a whole bunch of change and a broken necklace.
Oh, you still have it!
I broke Gab's necklace on accident, and I'm hanging on to figure out how to get it fixed. And then the final compartment has various forms of instant coffee, instant tea, a toothbrush, some pencils, assorted junk.
Here's my question. When are you planning to make iced tea?
I mean, I had one the other day.
When? Where was I?
This backpack, I'll cover the logo, came from Gab's old company.
Yeah, it was a free backpack that they gave new hires when you started, and it's a nice backpack, and so we just kept it, and Jack's been using it. Work it. Hey buddy, you mind if I work in? All right, is it my turn? My backpack is an Inatech, I don't know how you pronounce it, backpack. Really nice, waterproof. I love it because it's got a storage theft compartment on the lower back where we always keep our passports. Also in that anti-theft storage compartment is, and you guys will think this is cute, I have gotten postcards in a lot of the countries we've been in, and they are for my niece, and I wrote little messages to her on it about what we're doing and that I love her and stuff. So these will be for her when I go back. Starting with major compartment number 1, I have my MacBook Air, which is about 5 years old but still works wonderfully. My iPad, which is fairly new. My dad got it for me as a going away gift before we left. A outlet converter kit, bunch of cables. As you can see, mine are way neater than Jack's were.
Yeah.
But it's nice because it converts to an outlet in any country, and so we never have to worry about charging our stuff or getting it plugged in.
There's 2 outlets, 4 USB ports, so we can always charge our laptops, our drone, our devices, our whatever.
It's hard to get stuff back in, but once it's in there, it's got this nice little pouch that came in. Camera, which is currently being filmed with, but it normally goes in this case. Moving on, we got Mandarin Orange Hydrating Body Cream. In fact, next thing I have in that compartment is a sock, my Anker portable battery charger. That's it, and then I have 2 pouches on the front of my backpack where all the fun stuff is. A bunch of tampons, some toilet paper, because when you are at rest stops in Southeast Asia, they do not have toilet paper, and having this in there has saved my butt literally multiple times. A backup hand sanitizer, a portable toothbrush, and I have toothpaste in there too somewhere. A little thing of Tylenol extra strength face mask from your mom that kind of looks like a bra. And I also have a little sewing kit, which has come in handy so so many times. Jack's PJs ripped and I sewed those up. He sews up his earphones with those all the time. Actually, now that I mention it, it's always Jack's stuff that seems to need this and not mine, but I'm still glad that I have it.
Me too.
And that about does it for my backpack. And now it's time for us to move on to the carry-on suitcase edition of this episode.
Let's start with this bad boy right here. So I actually love my suitcase because one, I think it looks really cool. I love like the design of it, but two, it's super, super durable. I mean, it's been beat up and it still looks really, really good. It has a TSA lock on it, which a lot of suitcases have these days, but I like that for the peace of mind of knowing that my stuff is locked up. It's got the 4 wheels so it can spin around nicely. My only gripe with it is that sometimes when it's a little overstuffed, the handle is hard to pull up. But aside from that, it's a really, really great suitcase. So opening this bad boy up, first things on top are my flip-flops. Laundry bag, we have packing cubes. So this one is entirely devoted to pants, underwear, pajamas, socks, things of that nature.
Oh my God, the bottom of your suitcase is a mess.
So much like my backpack, the bottom of my suitcase is home to just a myriad of cords, the controller for the drone, the exercise band, the GoPro Session.
I was wondering where that was.
Yeah, it's in the suitcase. A deck of playing cards, which is actually held together by dental floss. Extra drone battery.
That's the other part of my necklace.
There we go.
I can't believe we just found that while filming.
Let's set that aside. I have a lock that I've never used. When we were leaving to travel, Gab said you'll never use this, and I said bollocks, and it turns out she was right. She's always right. I have a magnet that one of our students gave us when we were teaching in Slovakia.
And do you know what this is?
That is the key to our storage unit. In the top section, we have sunscreen and bug spray. Ooh, that's unzipped. Packing cube with shirts, toiletry bag, and a rogue sock.
It happens, people. Okay, it's my turn. I have a suitcase that is IT brand. I just got it from Jack's mom actually as a birthday gift. It is a nice deep red color. I love the look and design on it. I also love that it has an extender in the middle, so when I have more stuff packed, aka all the time, I can extend it to give myself more room. It's beaten up a lot whenever I'm going up a curb. I just drag it up the curb, and so the back lower half of it is just all scraped up. Anyways, moving on to what's inside the suitcase. First up, my Fitbit that I have not worn in months and I should probably get rid of. Another key to our storage unit. A big reusable grocery bag with like all my toiletries in it. My little makeup bag. I have a pair of sandals and I have packing cubes. They are amazing because I feel like we get unpacked in like 5 minutes when we get into a new place. This one has my bottoms in it, a baseball cap, a little eco-friendly shout out, a reusable bag. They're amazing. We take them with us whenever we go somewhere. A jacket, another reusable bag, which has my laundry in it right now, and then 2 more packing cubes. Oh, and I have a exercise band of my own. And this is my Lifestraw water bottle that I absolutely love and would buy again. In fact, I think I'll just buy a replacement filter the next time we're home because you can just switch it out. That way I don't have to actually get a new water bottle like someone I know. So that's pretty much it. As far as camera gear goes, we still have the same camera gear that we started on. We are filming this right now on a Sony RX100 that is sitting on a Joby Gorillapod as the tripod. It's mostly for us, used for pictures and B-roll, but it's a great camera, especially in low light.
Our other camera is the DJI Osmo Pocket, which I absolutely love. We film like 80% of our videos on this thing, and it's just wonderful. It is literally handheld. It connects right to my phone, so when it's all said and done, I can actually see what is on the screen if we're filming. But the coolest feature of the Osmo Pocket, I think, has to be the motion time lapse.
Yes, the panning time lapses, I feel like add another level to our videos. We try and put one in each video. Basically what we do is we set it up and we set a point A and a point B and a time limit. And so then it just pans from point A to point B over whatever time we, put in it, and it ends up being an amazing time lapse.
This has to be the best bang for your buck little vlogging camera you can get.
If you're from DJI, call us. We're interested in working together.
And then our second thing from DJI is the Mavic Air, which is a fantastic drone. It shoots in 4K and it has all the cool features like the follow me, and you can wave your hand to tell it to take pictures, and allegedly it has transmission range of like 5 kilometers, but I never want to test that. But it shoots incredible footage. It's actually pretty easy to use.
I mean, it's really light, and when you fold it up, it just fits in this tiny little case that we can just put in Jack's backpack and forget about it.
The only downside to the drone is that it does make some serious noise, so if you're trying to be discreet, this is not the drone for you. But then again, I don't think any drone is particularly quiet.
So that's pretty much it. That is what we have in our gear, in our bags after 8 months of traveling.
This is too much.
This is not too much. And if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we have, feel free to drop us a comment down below. And if you're interested in buying any of these things, we have links in the description where you can just click and buy it. Most of these are affiliate links, which means that if you make a purchase, a small portion will go to us, which we really appreciate because it is at no additional cost to you.
And if you guys like content like this, make sure to head over to our Patreon page too, because you get some cool behind the scenes looks over there. It's a great way to help support us and keep us on the road while getting some neat additional content too. Every month we publish an income and expense report so you guys can see the finances behind what full-time travel is like. So be sure to check that out. The link is also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Make sure to check out those links down below, and we'll see you next time.